My name is Mowliidcube. Today I'm going to demonstrate BGP. BGP is Border Gateway Protocol. BGP peer or BGP neighbor are two routers that have formed a TCP connection to exchange border BGP route information as BGP runs over TSP on port 179, not UDP. Prefix might be usually the word subnet in BGP world. It's usually called prefix because BGP usually does not advertise small subnets. It is false block or larger subnet, so prefix is often used instead. Let's do configuration for BGP today. Router BGP 100, that is an autonomous system. Network, we go to this network, to 2.1 network. This one we go into this network as well. We have to advertise the autonomous system, the other network, which is this one and this one. Neighbor 2.2, remote us 200. This side is 200. So the second one, this one, neighbor 6.6.1, remote us 200. So let's wait. We'll show as a neighbor. Let's go to the next router. Router BGP 200 network, which is this one, network 6, neighbor, which is the other one, it's the other way around. Can I do this one? 2.1, remote us 100. So just found it on the link is up. Neighbor 5.1, remote us 100. You see, you just found the other network, the number. So if I just try to check if they connected each other, so success. Okay, let's try the other one. The first one is failed, the second one will connect. So I said we'll say success. Okay. Let's go to the exit. Show IP BGP summary. See, time of the system other side is 200. Message received, message sent. It takes 6 minutes to 3 minutes. Okay. Status key is 4. Okay, let's copy this one on for somewhere here. Okay, let's do table IB root. Show IB root. B is standard for BGP. So that's the duration, and the second is that takes to connect the other network. This is other network, and that's how long it takes to get there. Let's go with this one. Protocol. This is giving me all the information that we have done. This is where we connecting to this down, and this is the other network. The distance factor is 20. Last update is 27 to 40. 27 00 27 slash 27 update. Takes distant and external 20 minutes, and autonomous system is the local is 200. Let's go to this one. Exit. Show IB BGP. This is the next hub. Is this? Let's copy this one. This is metric and a weight and the token or the this is the summary. BGP is in the middle. Just update. I think that this is all the information that we need to discover today for BGP. So we can go to this computer from here. We can go to from here to here. You can say show run. And that configuration is here. I hope this is very easy and it's clear. I demonstrated everything, and I hope you will get very easy. And if you have any problem, just let me know. My email address is mowliidcube@gmail.com, and I'm going to stop here, and then please do subscribe for future useful videos. And any questions, just let me know, or just email me. My email is mowliidcube@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks. Bye bye.